the past. So one of the reasons why we like the stock, whereas the stock is actually consolidating or moving into downtrend move since December, which has ended following the breakout move on 21st March. So the subsequent consolidation right within so-called pennant pattern has ended following last Wednesday breakout move above the so-called pattern neckline. The yesterday gain or the subsequent gain was backed by the higher trading volume and of course a minor gap up over here. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the stock to trade higher, particularly as the stock now is actually closing above the so-called 50-day moving average. MACD is positive, and now the MACD line has just reached to about above the so-called zero line, suggesting more momentum in the card, and it was supported by the uptick in the RSI. You can notice RSI move now is actually trading above the long-term average line, indicating that overall momentum remain elevated. So because of that, we expect the uptrend to continue, with the next technical target is actually back at 38 cent and 43.5 cent. Meanwhile, support will be at the psychological level of 30 cent. And then we have PGF. So PGF have a quite I would say very mild kind of the consolidation, but regardless, it actually has ended after the stock built a new baseline right within the 100-day moving average and the 61.8 of the Fibonacci level. So this could be a subset of the wave 2 within a much bigger wave 3 kind of movement. Regardless, because of the momentum on the upside, you can see the RSI has just back into positive territory. MACD also turning much more positive. So we expect the ongoing uptrend to continue, with technical target is actually back at 147 cent and 157 cent, while the support is actually at 150 cent. Last but not least is public package holding, PHB. So it showcases a similar pattern, but we do think the current support right within at 67 cent, which is actually the previous major resistance, now turning into a support. There's a plenty of interest emerged within this zone, and you can see here the spike in terms of the volume profile over here, suggesting there's a numbers of the accumulation has been generated within this particular zone. So as the stock build a new baseline high yield structure right above the 100-day moving average and also within the 61.8 Fibonacci level, it does build a much more firmer support. And then yesterday with a breakout move above 20 50-day moving average, higher trading volume, momentum improving, RSI and MACD also negative. So this actually effectively kickstart a new up cycle. So because of that, we expect the previous major uptrend to continue, with the technical target is back at 79 cent and 88 cent. Meanwhile, support should be seen at 67.5 cent.